Hello, this is Systec D45 Autoclave, horizontal benchtop autoclave, and we are going to see now the functions and operations of this autoclave. For that, first initially we are turning the power on, and in the system there is another switch on the bottom, and we are going to turn it on. It displays the screen. Now it says please wait. There is a menu. It will pop up for opening the auto door, because it's automatic door. We cannot open it manually. See, now there is a menu called open. If you press it, it will open the door. So here you have the basket. You can place the media, liquid or waste, instruments, whatever it is, you can put it in the basket. And close the door. Give a little pressure, and there you can hear the noise, which means it started locking. Once it is locked, it will say it's ready. See, now it's ready. For running the program, you have to go to menu button. There are set of cycles, 12 programs, preset 12 programs. You can again press set, which will display the programs, list of programs. Instrument 1, instrument 2, instrument 3, waste bags, liquids, and cleaning. This is 12 programs. You can see the parameters of the programs. That's a chart. You can see the parameters of the programs. Instrument 1, 121 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, sterilization and drying time 10 minutes, and unloading temperature is 120 minutes. So you can refer this chart, and for most of the major operations you can use this preset programs. I am going to run the first program called Instruments 1. So for that, I using the scroll button, I can select the program, highlight the program, and press set. It will display which program is now ready for running, which is Instrument 1. And press start button. If you press start button, it will start the program. And there's a passcode to confirm there is no liquids in the instrument mode, which is 1000. If you press it once, it will say 1, and which is 1000, and again press set. The program started. And that's it, the operation. You have to, before operation, you have to fill the distilled water in this tank. If there is any water, water level is not up to the mark, it will display the error code, and you have to fill the water in this tank. Use only distilled water, which is recommended. And that's it. It will run the program as per the parameters entered over there, and it will finish it, and it will stop the operations. And the door will, when it reaches a safe temperature, it will display open, and you can open the door and take the samples out. That's it about the operation. Thank you.